Welcome to Palms Auto Sales, and here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with exhaust brake, keyless entry, trailering equipment, remote locking tailgate, a bed liner, cloth seating, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Since 2011, family-owned Palms Auto Sales has been providing quality vehicles at affordable prices. We take pride in our deep-rooted commitment to our customers. When you work with us, you become part of our extended family. We are one of the largest dealers in the area specializing in commercial trucks and vans. If we don't have it, we find it for you. So give us a call or stop by Palms Auto Sales today.